Get up on the floor, make you feel it kinda hot. Shake that and let it pump play. You're a diva and that makes me a hustler. Do it like you wanna do, put a little attitude. Everybody's looking at you, but please don't let the fool. On the floor it's me and you, now we shake it baby boo. Do that two-step, now let's go 1, 2. I'ma get my grind on, do your thing for the song. When it comes to me and you, shorty please let the go. All my ballers hands up, all my pinkies hands up. All my hunters wanna say, all my niggas hands up. Get it, shot it. Get it, little mama. Get it from the left. Get it from the right. Get it, shot it. Get it, little mama. Get it from the left. Get it from the right. Pretty as a fine, yeah, she's shaking for a dime. She do it on the shaking slow, she's taking her time. She wanna give it right, yep, be drastic, aka your boy young. Let's go baby girl, you can do it quite slow. She's slowing up my speed, yeah, she's slowing up my flow. House and kisses, we can do it on the flow. She's so fun, she got me thinking I'm how to go, yeah. She's a go-getter, yeah, just like me. Me and you, baby girl, we got chemistry. Let's blend together and see what it be. I'ma grind that baby till it does me. Get it, for the left. Get it for the left. Get it for the left. Get it. You want some more? Represent my home. I represent my home. I represent my home. I represent my home. I represent yes. What's the sis? What's the picture? What's up from the Domazan? Sis Martino Jeffrey. Se apagena na arena. My man, yes. Position my first. Sweetie, love you. Estás happening to swallow. Una sikulumina. Yes. I'm really fucking tired, I'm not but better fast, but no fancy messenger. Jello go the battle, this and your massa. Nakolo manga mato da bolo, which is fast, send out. Jenna go put this one and daughter go on the perspective go. Let's live, promote, come fast, not a run. Sometimes it's never low. Kolo ya koni tenge do ne to chama be run. All fast on the truth, you don't know the neck in that. Remember what's kachani, don't you figure it's satan. Don't you feel it, bamu don't know. Katiani, makona ado ya kuluma bejiani. Ona yusa umoto ate chuliani. Anga chela muwida wakuna fikriani. Ndona kona na ya pena tibadeliani. Azepena kayo peki siti mikochiani. Unota jane kotu ndona ye kumota ye. Kakeba fast, that's toge song. Amatota spangane foni negile tusema jeli negile aketwa zizipi negile tusetwale Ziti spangane njari nchola za matota zdome Ziti zona zmageze kanda manye matota Zoto manekwa moru zimu watu kiselenya ya matota Ngana ngonda lawa na manye matota Kaska ando wotu zitu vere kisile Ezmoru kuda keti pasi Mobali mtwaye na Zometi ndoti chati ndoti kato mfaza bono Uti pengo eti zoku nifunye Sis, sakoni noti kulisundu hani Kasigate sebo nanga soku mbana Moyo kutu koloni Ndoti feli bamu ndani ngani kate yane Sesa kona Makona ato ya kuluma beji yani Ona yusa mukoto ate tuli yani Anga chela munide wakona fili yani Ndana kona na ya pena tibaneli yani Asepena kayo peni siki ni khochi yani Ngakosho gote chola za matodas kamisoto Sinabangan baso koni chola za mafaz Na masoga na haregila kaza zotata Kwa benda za nabangana ngolo wakogili Wapata mapro, mapemi kwa ibaya papa Wasoma benda za nabachoko na malesbian Sis, let's show left, na kenafu Full mende na yuza kwa hota wachati Na kushot, na kuspend vio chatu chamaka Na kubendwa na bona kazi baza batopa Yay, kelise nukungu meza bendwa Watenu mdwana, tenu Jehova yena genyama The child is like a diamond in a golf crown Kelise na bendwa na ngasmola ni sangose
Let's go.
Tumezenga bonga somchelu bonga Yole sungana loyo koga na yo from a pen Ikani wana nyawo kega za mogo golani Wachina na skula umeskandala na pete Sese base kwa botina base kanespo Kare ya malungelo se kwa fodo nespo Abase kwa boba na mchache siba nesu Kenga yesu, badane le pete Yesu kupe, kisho leba nasa nek Enasa na wana mchache saba yazgena Dasa numbate toka yetu pena yosumela Wasiti na skula mo ate Hello sweetie, hello ya manyan Enasa na nek Yaso kote na khololo mbobo ya mulala It's a crime, abortion it's a crime
It's a crime, no matter what you do it, but abortion it's a crime.
It's a crime, abortion it's a crime
What you do it, definitely.
Sasa kona no
Abortion it's a crime.
It's a crime, abortion it's a crime
It's a crime, no matter what you do it, but abortion it's a crime.
It's a crime, abortion it's a crime
What you do it, the fact that remains there, abortion it's a crime.
Shit! Hey, Nikona! Yes! Come check. Niggas are pleading about the neck. Abortion is a crime, Magishu. Nalela the message. Okay? Nalela the message. King Malume, mina. Nalela. Nazga anu goti logon prison kholo lumbong. Yana yeno munde bekosa zulapi AIDS. Is the one child in Lebanon in prison baka court. Tala tabanga, checha yelela. Nalela usimu wako asusese hivi. Imagine ubu Maria wakula no Jesu. Yetina ngabesu for Satan. No matter how you got pregnant, it doesn't matter. The fact remains that God has a plan with that child. Umezeka bomu kaso mchelo kuti mistake is a crime. Abortion is a crime.
It's a crime, no matter what you do it, but abortion it's a crime.
It's a crime. Abortion is a crime.
What you do it, the fact that remains there, abortion it's a crime.
It's a crime. Abortion is a crime.
It's a crime, no matter what you do it, but abortion it's a crime.
It's a crime. Abortion is a crime.
What you do it, the fact that remains there, abortion
Nalela. No matter who's dead, past dead. Always any abortion.
ushi uzimu yena ngimbekile uzombethela yena uJesu wathi lisana abantwana bese kimi nengaba wazi uzokwenzani ngomntwana mlise uJesu ukhona nephepho zikaye khala la iBhayibheli lithi ungabulali alithi unless nengaba umntwana sesembungu hey mntazana yerisulahleka indlela nangayazi yobuze kwabayaziyo ingani wona inyoko khenga zama ukubulala wathina nasikholabo besikahlalele epentini bengasazala namhlanje banesizungu ngenxa yesizungu badlalela emsebeni ngazami yokuthi nakathi yes sekazithwele nakathi uqala ikhale nalisho kuwesikhathi avela bathe broka yeklinika yorhulula umntwana loyo uyomthola lindeleke ezolweni yazi ukuthi narhululo mbongo yabulala it's a crime abortion it's a crime
Ikate DJ, ikate.
It's a crime.
DJ, ikate. Yeah.
Vimbela, ekano kanu ndebele mfoso baba, mfoso kapsana, umfana gombozi. Ekano kanu ndebele mfoso baba, mfoso machela, mfoso vimbela. Ekano kanu ndebele mfoso baba, mfoso kapsana, umfana kapistoli. Kano, yemina ngindebele Thank you sema, ngoba ungenza ngibendebele Komnani kangangani ukubethe hip hop ngesindebele Nakhuluma nesijabo ngijumayela ngesindebele Iye, nakusikolo sona ngesifondele Sikhumbuze nokuthi kuhle ngindebele Nangibethe i-microphone ngibethe hip hop ngesindebele Ngoba mina ngindebele lemandebele Ubaba ndebele, uma ndebele Ugogo ndebele, ngisho nokhokho ndebele Uma, isiphalaphala esihlilo bemhlophe Unamathibele, ukhweni, udlahla ndlela Wabeletha ingwanyazo bekhaya sisiligwenya Angisakhulunga abasokolana Wathina siselikhonja, bona senkotana Ubaba, ngesaba, okuthe kokapsana Umthimunyiso mabondo, uthula khombo omhlaba Wangena isibayanga kafonole somadoda Kasedoda nabakhwekazi, esisibe Inhlonzi semuka nolabo umfazi omabele mani Owanyelisa umlana kakutsheya komhlana Kamangalo ukuthi mina yokungithathele Nganye ngibelethele, angakuphi phasi Okano ngindebele mfoso baba
Mfese sona chea.
Mfoso kwibela
Ladies screamer.
Mfoso kapsana
Tukala maflati mapitinisha vicho.
Mfoso machela Mfoso kwibela Ekano ngindebele mfoso baba Mfoso kapsana umfana kapistoli Thulele ntanile ngoroko mkholo Ngesibhalele umlomo ngivule ndlele ngibalalele Abantu babhezi bafomangama lembakosobani Ngaphuma ngendle ngakhwela istage ngaphethe imayi Emaye mna ngahuwelele skate wathola ijaha Koto lalela abasana chaka Yena mhipo kona ngihuwelela keke Yeloka nangwetela ingoma ngiwetela keke Ekamare ngithi ngiyajita vele njita keke Engini ndebele vele mfuzi kwabo ngiletaba Engisomi ntombi kwakwazeyile nongarewana Ekusuke kufike mina umfana koroyi ngenyama Ngikumagadanga msali nyabo nezwana Langikule khona mina kusale ndaba sami Ephela mina nantoni nhlolise ngoba nomlamo Kade ngathuta nabakhula sesizweni Sabithi wabonani wena mfazi ongabelethi Ubusisi unomtshado wabelethi kwenya sonke Ngakwethu ziyabuya ekhaya sisigwenya Alifama ekhaya ibuya zelitala Ngengoma kwethu izwanga kanye ifana ne-World Cup Wena nawuthi thumela mina ngithi lotsha Inkhambi isikhethu, umbathi isikhethu, umvumi isikhethu Ekano ngindebele mfoso baba Mfoso machela, mfoso febela Ekano ngindebele mfoso baba Mfoso kapsana, umfana gombozi Ekano ngindebele mfoso baba Mfoso machela, mfoso febela Ekano ngindebele mfoso baba Mfoso kapsana, umfana kapistoli
Yeah. The timing. Right, this is a sample, eh? How it sound, Mr. DJ? How it sound, Mr. DJ? Venezuela. Lochan. Malami, oh yeah, malami. Right, and boys, and what's that?
Yeah. Paradiso. Yathokoza baba ngiya.
Oh, lawa nathi sivukile. Amasewula enwabona phambi kwenu la. Abantu abanengi abawazi ngisho amasewula.